Welcome back to my channel Cloudmaster. In today's video, we will see how to create a container and upload a file in that specific container using Terraform. So before we go to Terraform, let's go to our storage account and let's see uh, what is a container and the file which I have uploaded there using Terraform. So let's go there. This is my storage account. Let's click on it. So this is the storage account which we created in our last video. When I go to containers, you see there is a container named Terra container. Right, when I click on it, it shows me there is a file named sample.txt. It's a text file. Size is only 22 bytes, so there's nothing much in it. There's just one line in this file. So if I want to see the content of this file, what can I do? Just click on it, go to edit, and you will see this is the content of this file. This is a sample file. So this is just a sample file to show you how to upload a file. So like I have showed you in our previous videos how to create a container. When you click on plus icon, just give it a name, choose the access level and hit create. You can create the container. And once it is created, just click on it. And from here, click on upload and you can upload any file if you want to upload it. So just click on upload. It will give you the option to upload and you can do so like this. Upload blob and browse for files or drag and drop files here. Okay, so these are various advanced options. We are not going into that for now, but I just want to show you how to upload a file. So click on it. Let's go back. So let's delete this storage account first of all. So hit delete. Type the name of the storage account. It will ask you to write the name. Here it is, and click delete. Confirm delete. Refresh the page. Not yet. It should go away in next few seconds. It is showing deleted here, but still it's working in the background. Yes, it's gone now. Okay, let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. So this is the same code which we have been using since we started doing practicals. So you all know what we are doing here. We are giving authorization, connecting with Azure portal, creating a resource group, and creating a storage account. So after this, what else we are doing? Now we are creating a container here. So a storage container. This is uh, the name to create the container. This is how you create the container. Container 05, as you know, this is the block name. This is the name of the container which will be created on Azure portal, Terra container. This is the storage account name where this container will be created. So this is the storage account where it will create the container and access type. And this is blob. So what it is, there are three kind of different access types. Let me show you. So let's say if I go to this container, this is storage account, sorry, and then container, click plus icon, create a container, and let's say test. Okay, now it is not giving us access here, public access level, it's grayed out. Why? We were able to choose it earlier with that storage account, but not here. So the reason is, let me show you. If you go to configuration and allow blob public access, this is disabled. We need to enable it. Okay, and hit save. Now let's go back to, okay, successfully updated. Refresh. Yes, we have enabled it. Now, if we go back to containers, click create container test, and you see here its public access level is something which we can choose. So there are three options: private, no anonymous access, blob, which we have chosen in our script, anonymous read access for blobs only, and the third one is container, anonymous read access for containers and blobs. Right. So private means you are not giving any access at all. In blob, you are giving access, but you are giving anonymous access to blobs only, to that specific blob. Okay. And container, if we choose this, so we are giving anonymous access to container as well as blob. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code. And so I have given blob access here, which is access to this blob only, neither private nor container. This is the last piece of block wherein I have created a blob and uploaded a file which is sample.txt. This sample.txt is located on the same location where this Terraform files are located. So I do not need to give the entire uh, location where this file is located. And I have provided the storage account name, storage container name, type block, and source is sample.txt. That's all. We have code ready with us. Just need to run the commands. I have, let's uh, see once again. I have already deleted the storage account. So if storage account is not there, so obviously no container or blob will be there. All that is gone. So let's run our plan command. Okay. Now it is saying 3 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. 3 resources it is going to add. So you see here, it is giving you all the details. Container, blob, this and storage account. So it is going to create all these resources. That's why it is saying 3 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. Let's apply this command. Yes. Okay. Unable to locate storage account, Terraform storage CJ0007. It should not give us this error. Okay. Let's run this apply command once again. Let's see if it gives the same error once again or it works fine. Yes. Now apply complete. Resources 2 added, 0 changed, and 0 destroyed. This is the storage account it has created. Now let's go there, go to containers. This is the container, right? Now let's go to container and see file is there. Yes, we have sample.txt file is there. Let's see the content. If this is the same file, edit. And yes, this is a sample file. This is the same file which we saw. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, to show you how to create a container, how to upload a file using Portal as well as Terraform, which we have done in this video. So if you like this video, please go ahead, like and subscribe this channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so you get the notification as soon as I upload my next videos. We are working on this entire series of Terraform. Once this is done, we will start working on other series. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.